So Windows doesn't have a native ability to send events over to a Syslog server. So you'll need an agent that can convert Windows events into a Syslog format and then send those Syslogs over to your Syslog server. So our agent is this one called Log Forwarder for Windows. And you click on the Subscriptions tab, click Add, and then here, leave all the defaults over here. But on this side, you can select the items you want to watch for. Most people, they tend to choose system, security, hardware, and application. And you can see here where it says loading, and you need to wait for that to finish. If it goes blank, keep waiting. You need to wait until it says all in both of these places. What it's doing is it's trying to dig through all the old events that exist on the machine to see which ones match the selections you made. And you need to wait for that process to finish before you click next. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Here you see it's still missing, but if I keep waiting, it will eventually show up. If it's taking too long, what you can do is open the native Windows Event Viewer and clear out the items that match what you've selected here. And then there's nothing for this app to dig through, and it will just load right away. So now that it says all in these two places, again, I'm leaving everything default. I click next. And here you could choose any of these at random. This is a field that exists in a Syslog format, but not in Windows events. So we just need to stamp one of these into the Syslog field so it'll look like a real Syslog. Then you click Finish, go to the Syslog Servers tab, Add, and give it the IP address of the server that has the Kiwi Syslog server installed. Now in this case, I'm on the same machine as the Syslog server, so I'll leave the home address, and it's going to send it to UDP 514 by default. So then create, and then to test it, there's a test tab, and you could choose a specific event type, or you could choose all, and then we'll do a test for all of these event types. And then you could choose any of these at random, and then click Create a Test Event. So right here, when it says it was successfully created, that means we were able to write to the Windows event log. That doesn't mean that the Syslog actually made it from this tool over to the Syslog server. It just means that we were able to write to the event log successfully. And so then if this tool is working and there's no communication issues, they should show up in the Syslog server. You can see they showed up here. Just a note that when you see this, you'll have to switch over to the Syslog server to make sure that test actually showed up. And that's it.